Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable subtitles on the Splitgate PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitgate PC game on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Then click on Settings. And now from the Settings page, if you go into UI at the top right corner, you will see various UI settings. And this also includes the Show Subtitles option. So if you want subtitles to be shown within your game, you can click on this checkbox and this will now enable subtitles right away. Then just go back and start enjoying your game with your subtitles shown. You can change this setting at any point in time by going back into your settings and disabling the checkbox from the UI menu for Show Subtitles. And that is how easy it is to enable or disable subtitles on the Splitgate PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.